Welcome to 80 Proof Cakes. Come and watch us while we prepare a batch of single malt whiskey fruit cakes. All of our ingredients are measured by weight to ensure a product of the highest quality every time we bake. We mix pecans and 8 types of dried fruit in large tubs. We use dried fruits because they are better tasting than glacé fruits, and they are much better at soaking up liquor. The blended scotch is measured by weight too. We use 1.8 liters per batch of 29 cakes, and all of it is soaked up by the fruit. Next, we pour the whiskey over the fruit and nuts. The fruit is well mixed and left to sit for at least 12 hours. It is stirred twice during this time. Now it's time to mix the cake batter. Creaming the butter, sugar, and eggs is the first step. Time to scrape the bowl. Did you know scraping the bowl is one of the most important steps in cake baking? Creaming incorporates air and helps to leaven the cake. Time to check the fruit and nuts to make sure all the liquid has been absorbed. Next come the dry ingredients: flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. The batter is only mixed enough to incorporate these ingredients. We don't want to toughen the cake by overmixing the flour. Now we're ready to add our marinated fruit and nuts. This cake recipe is approximately 1/3 batter and 2/3 fruit mixture. Again, we only mix the batter enough to combine the ingredients. Now it's time to scale the batter into ovenable pans. The cakes are baked, cooled, wrapped, and shipped in these pans. Again, we weigh the cake batter so that each cake is the same size. A finished baked cake weighs 742 grams. Next, we level the top of the batter so that the cakes have a nice smooth top. We put 8 cakes onto each parchment-lined baking sheet. We use large deck ovens to bake our cakes. The cakes bake for about an hour at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then they are removed and put onto cooling racks for 12 to 14 hours. Finally, each cake has an ounce of single malt scotch poured over top. We currently offer 3 different single malt choices for your cake. Within 2 minutes of the scotch being poured on, the cake is cryovac to prevent the alcohol from evaporating. Cryovacking also removes air, which prevents the cake from getting stale and inhibits bacteria growth. And finally, here is the finished product, ready to be shipped to you.